Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get the BMW M5 in Drive Zone online. First, focus on accumulating in-game currency. Participate in various races and complete daily challenges to maximize your earnings. Once you have enough funds, navigate to the in-game dealership. The BMW M5 will be available for purchase there, often requiring a significant amount of currency. Keep an eye out for any limited-time promotions that might offer the car at a reduced price. To speed up your progress, prioritize completing daily challenges and engaging in competitive races. Winning these events not only grants you a large sum of currency, but also boosts your reputation, which can unlock further opportunities. Don't forget to check your inventory for any unused car parts or vehicles you can sell. This is a great way to generate additional funds quickly. Consistency is key to building your wealth. Once you have a good amount of currency, head over to the in-game dealership. The BMW M5 is usually listed among the premium vehicles, often requiring several 100,000 in-game credits. It's wise to regularly check the dealership's inventory, as special offers or bundles might appear, potentially reducing the cost or including exclusive customizations. These limited-time deals are excellent opportunities to acquire the car more efficiently. After acquiring your BMW M5, the real fun begins with customization and performance upgrades. Invest in engine, suspension, and tire upgrades to significantly boost its speed and handling. Personalize its look with unique paint jobs, stylish rims, and aerodynamic body kits to make it truly yours. Experiment with various setups in races to find the perfect balance for your driving style, ensuring maximum performance on the track.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.